Whenever you drill down to a stakeholder overview, you'll notice a collection of blocks that deliver at-a-glance metrics, company profile, corporate contacts, financial summary, turnover and net assets graphs, employee lists, web vitals and latest company updates. Each design section delivers a quick perspective you can explore further, generating a bird's-eye view for stakeholder vitals. The first vitals you notice are last year's turnover, cash flow, number of employees, and age of business, which delivers a better understanding on stakeholder sustainability. Moving forward, the company profile widget previews all those details one usually has to Google. Incorporation dates, SIC classification, shareholders, latest accounts, VAT, registration number, even banking choice, you name it, we have it all. Moving left, you will notice corporate contacts such as phone numbers, website and socials, email, including mailing address. All of them delivering a green light for ringing in, mailing out, or even sending a postcard if you must. To satisfy your CFO's or your curiosity, Global Database has integrated in the overview key financial summaries. These focus on total assets, working capital, EBITDA, and total liabilities. We've also deployed turnover and net assets dynamics within two live-fed graphs, screening metrics that date back as far as 20 years, depending on company age and data availability. Next, in the Employees section of the Overview page, you get a list of key employees in the company, alongside their socials or sourced contact details. This preview allows you to save contacts to list, send them an email, include those into one of your outreach sequences, export contacts to Excel spreadsheet, or send them to your CRM. All of it in just a couple of clicks. If you cannot find desired contacts, access the View More shortcut and explore the Employee Dashboard, which we'll cover in a separate chapter. Further, the Overview dashboard gives you a perspective on the latest company changes, as well as a quick glance on a company web vitals. These include used technologies, domain registration date and owners, while the Company Updates preview screens acquisition, shareholder, or employee changes in the past months. All in all, the Company Overview page is designed to deliver a global shareholder perspective, enabling fast-track qualification, letting you decide if previewed potentials are worth a deeper dive.